The benefits of honey have been known to humans since time immemorial, so you can get to know the most important of these benefits through the following article. Learn about the most important benefits of honey. The benefits of honey are many, and it has been known for thousands of years, as honey has been used in multiple ways, whether as a food for the body or as an ointment to treat burns, infections and other diseases. So what are the most important other benefits of honey? Benefits of honey. The benefits of honey are related to many health properties that accrue to the human body, the most important of which are: 1. A source of energy for adults and children. Honey is a highly valuable food and is used as food for children and adults, and it is the only local substance that is not man-made and consumed as food that does not need refining, and honey can be preserved for a long time when stored properly. And honey replaces the sugars consumed due to the physical or mental effort that the person exerts, and it may also be used in treating cases of weight loss and thinness. 2. Antibacterial and microbial. Honey is similar to antibiotics as it has the ability to kill many microbes, viruses and fungi, and it also interacts with cells in the body to secrete antiseptic substances that reduce infections and toxins. 3. Reducing the level of fats in the body. Honey, being an alternative to refined and processed sweeteners, contributes to the prevention of many obesity problems, heart disease and atherosclerosis, as it was found to have a role in reducing cholesterol and fats in the blood. 4. Prevention of diseases of the digestive system. Unlike refined and simple sugars like sucrose, honey does not ferment in the stomach as it does not stay for long as it is quick to digest, thus it does not pose any risk of bacterial invasion, and it passes directly from the small intestine into the bloodstream without causing any irritation in our digestive system as sucrose does. Also, one of the clinical trials found that one of the benefits of honey is that it helps in treating indigestion, infections of the intestine as well as treating constipation, as it is considered a mild laxative, as it increases the activity of the intestine. Digestive disorders, as it works to cancel the excess acidity in the stomach, which often leads to ulcers. Many doctors have used honey in treating stomach and duodenal ulcers. 5. Preserving the teeth and protecting the gums. Honey plays an essential role in preserving teeth, preventing them from decay and their proper growth, and it also has a role in strengthening and protecting the gums. 6. Prevention of cancer. Honey contains vitamins and antioxidants, and in fact one of the unique antioxidants called pinosembrin is only found in honey, and it is known that antioxidants have a great role in preventing cancer and preventing the proliferation of cancer cells, especially in cases of esophageal cancer, and the mouth, intestine and stomach. 7. Cough treatment. According to many studies, honey is an effective and safe treatment for children's coughs from over-the-counter medicines, as it helps remove phlegm and throat infections and relieve coughing, and thus it is used in the manufacture of many cough medicines. 8. Enhancing and increasing hemoglobin in the blood. Numerous researches have found that honey has an effective role in regulating blood pressure and increasing hemoglobin in it. 9. A good choice for athletes. Honey is considered a source of energy supply to the body and raise blood sugar glucose level in a short period of time, and thus it is considered the best option to provide athletes with energy and help them train and exercise physical exertion. Also, using it as a source of carbohydrates while exercising helps to improve performance significantly, especially during endurance racing and cycling. 10. Treatment of wounds and burns. Honey contains the enzyme responsible for producing hydrogen peroxide, making it useful in treating wounds and relieving pain, disinfecting them and preventing germs and bacteria from growing by creating an acidic environment, thus preventing their infection. And many studies have shown that the topical use of honey on superficial burns helps them heal with a large and effective rate and helps heal wounds faster. 11. Good for skin, complexion and eyes. It has been found that honey has benefits for the skin and skin, as honey helps to purify the complexion. It is used to treat eczema, psoriasis and acne as it contains antibacterial properties. Honey helps relieve dry skin and cracks in the feet. Thus, it is used in the manufacture of many cosmetic products and soaps that help the freshness of the skin, as well as in the preparation of eye ointments, as it is useful in the treatment of infections of the eyelids and cornea and ulcers. 12. It affects the nervous system. Honey is a sedative for the body, so eat it before bed, and it helps to calm the nervous system, and to overcome some sleep disorders such as insomnia. Honey components. After we learned about the most important potential benefits of honey, we must now address the most important basic components of honey, as honey is considered a source of carbohydrates, as a tablespoon of it provides us with approximately 64 calories, and honey consists mainly of 76% of natural sugar, mostly fructose and glucose, and due to its high level of fructose, honey is considered sweeter than table sugar. 18% of the water, and the less water the percentage of honey is, the better its quality. 6% of its ingredients are minerals, vitamins, pollen and protein. As for its nutritional content, it is characterized by containing all of the following. Vitamins, a small percentage of vitamins, the most important of which are, vitamin B6, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, pantothenic acid and some amino acids. Minerals, low levels of minerals, which include, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and zinc. Antibacterial material. Antioxidants, such as riboflavonoid. In addition, it is free of fat and cholesterol.